Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Quiet Shelter's Red Rock Retreat. This Airbnb is located in Kanab, Utah, and it is seriously one of the most peaceful, Pinterest-worthy places I've ever been to. But before I start with this Airbnb tour, I need to introduce you to a friend of mine. Oh gosh. So this is Squire the squirrel. Now, Squire is very important to me, and he's a very, very sneaky squirrel.
Oh, I'm Squire the squirrel, and I love you.
So Squire is going to be hidden somewhere in this video. He could be somewhere inside the Airbnb or outside the Airbnb, but either way, he's going to be hiding somewhere during this video. So the first person to spot Squire in this video is actually going to get $10. So if you see Squire, what you need to do is leave a comment with the timestamp of where you saw him, and then also leave your Instagram handle or an email or some way for me to get in contact with you so I can send you the $10. So keep an eye out for him. So now let's get on with the tour. This Airbnb is located in Kanab, Utah. Kanab is a colorful desert oasis with a population of about 5,000 people, so it's a pretty small town. As you arrive, you get a sense of the serenity and privacy this home has to offer. And when we first arrived, a cute dog actually came to greet us.
Hey, buddy. I don't know whose dog you are, but hi.
The entrance to the home is just beautiful. You'll walk through a wooden gate where you'll find a patio and the front door. The home is finished with red adobe tones and sage green trims to blend in with the desert environment. Inside, it is an open floor plan with a living room, dining room, and the kitchen. The living room was a super nice area to just relax and unwind. The linen couch covers were actually handmade in Ukraine. And there are lots of windows throughout the entire home. I mean, just look at how perfectly the sun shines through this window in the evening. This house is also equipped with radiant floor heating, so your feet don't get cold walking on the cement floors. There's also a wood-burning stove if you want to get extra cozy, and this is real adobe brick that you'll find throughout the entire home. There's a large rustic dining table where you can come and enjoy your meals. Now into the kitchen is finished with concrete countertops. You'll also find more adobe brick features in the kitchen as well, and this pottery was actually handmade by the host's mother. The fridge and the freezer are actually hidden in these drawers, which I thought was really cool. You are also provided with everything you would need to make coffee or tea. The coffee maker is a pour-over style into a thermos. Now into the bedroom gets lit up perfectly in the mornings. It's a great way to wake up. The room is finished with a queen-size bed and plenty of extra blankets if needed. You'll also notice more of those sage green trims throughout the bedroom. And these cement side tables were actually handmade by the hosts. Outside the bedroom, there is also a quiet patio area, and one of our favorite parts was this record player. And we may have had a little too much fun dancing to this record player. At the end of the home, you'll find a barn door that opens to the bathroom. The bathroom is finished with more adobe bricks and a stone shower. I also really liked the sink and all the smell good items. And that's something I have to mention, is just how good it smelled here. The home has almost a healing aroma, and it wasn't overbearing, but it was just right. Another detail are all the books throughout the entire home. And these aren't just random books, these books were actually carefully considered by the host. You'll find cowboy poetry, national park guides, authors from the area, and books of the history and art of the area as well. So now let's head outside. So there are 3 different patio areas on the property. On the east, there is a grill and outside dining table kind of located by the bedroom. On the west side, there is a large patio area with a sandstone sitting area and lots of plants and trees. So really, no matter what time of day, you can come outside and enjoy the desert sun. I really love sitting here and just listening to the birds and the desert sounds. The property is on about 2.5 acres and it is full of native plants and trees. The host even made a gravel walking trail that goes around the entire property. Overall, Kanab is just in a great location as you're only about an hour drive from Zion National Park and Lake Powell. And those are just a few of the many beautiful locations and things to do nearby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're ever staying anywhere near southern Utah, you have to stay here. It's such a beautiful place. But if you guys enjoyed the video, as always, hit the like button and the subscribe button. It only takes 5 seconds and it helps out this channel so much. And if you want to stay at this Airbnb, there's going to be a link in the description below so you can check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next Airbnb tour. It's recording. Oh. Hey everyone. Somebody once told me. Okay, let me redo that part. I've had too much energy drink, but